Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Today in this video we learn German with the help of newspaper. As you can see on the screen, it's a newspaper article. Online article I have found. It's a little bit old, 2nd February. But we can learn something from this newspaper reading. If you are able to understand newspaper text, so your German will be perfect. You can easily understand the text given in your textbook. B1, B2, A2 level. So this video is very important for B1 level as well as B2 level students. You can improve your vocabulary as well as your reading section. So we'll start here. This is the title. Zu viele Lebensmittel landen im Müll. Zu viele, too many Lebensmittel, grocery, landen im Müll. Müll means garbage. Okay, bin. So too many, lot of grocery, Lebensmittel is wasted, is thrown in the dustbin. That it means. So you need to understand the title. It is not always clearly written. You need to understand. It's very it's very precise, but you need to understand. London im Müll means is thrown in the dustbin. Too much Lebensmittel, grocery is thrown in the dustbin. Now we read further. Millionen Tonnen Lebensmittel werden jährlich weggeworfen. Means Millionen Tonnen, million of ton Lebensmittel werden jährlich weggeworfen. Is being thrown away yearly. This is passive voice. Werden weggeworfen. Okay, so they are saying million ton Lebensmittel, grocery is being thrown in the dustbin every year, yearlich. So werden weggeworfen. This is passive voice. If you remember passive, we make with werden plus participle perfect. So weggeworfen. Essen, das noch genießbar ist. Essen, the food which is still enjoyable, which is still eatable, which can be eaten. Such kind of food is being thrown. Well, genießbar means here, genieß means enjoy, but here it means can be eaten. It's still tasty, still eatable, not yet rotten. So such kind of food is being thrown. Andere EU-Länder haben längst gehandelt und Gesetze gegen die Verschwendung erlassen. Other European countries have längst managed means they have managed for a long time. Und Gesetze gegen die Verschwendung erlassen. Gesetz erlassen means they have applied some rules against the wastage, Verschwendung, such kind of wastage. So in other European countries, law, Gesetz, there are law against the Verschwendung, such kind of wastage of food. In Deutschland ist bislang wenig passiert. In Germany is till date, bislang, wenig passiert, very less happened. Means such kind of you can say law is not stringent in this sector or in this area in Germany. Still stringent, some strict law need to be happened. So this is happening very less in Germany. Germany is lacking behind here in terms of wastage of food. But in other countries there are laws. But in Germany still they are waiting for some strict law. Bislang, till now. Hunderte Brotchen, mehrere Paletten Joghurt oder noch frische Tomaten. So 100 breads, more Paletten yogurt or still fresh tomatoes. Der Blick in die Mülltonnen von Supermärkten ließ die Reporter des ARD Wirtschaftsmagazins plus minus während ihrer Recherchen immer wieder erschrecken. It's a very long sentence, but we'll see. First of all, what is the verb? In this sentence, the verb is lassen. Let. The Blick, the view in the dustbin of supermarket. Let the reporter of this magazine, ARD is a ARD Wirtschaft magazine, plus minus is a name. So the reporter of this magazine, okay, he become erschrecken, very shocked during the research when the reporter, maybe more than one, when reporters were doing research on this topic, so the dustbin, the view, the blick of the dustbin in the supermarket let the reporter shocked. Means too much has been wasted. So many food has been wasted. Research means research. Variant, you can see here, genetic preparation variant during their research. Immer wieder erschrecken. Always again shocked. So the reporters were shocked when they saw. Auch Lebensmittel, die noch genießbar sind, liegen in den Container. Also the Lebensmittel, the food, this is relative. Die noch genießbar sind, which is still eatable. Genießbar means here eatable. Liegen in den Container, lying in the container. Means the food which can be eaten, which is still fresh, is lying in the container, in the dustbin. Liegen, lying in the dustbin. This is dative plural. Liegen in den container. You know, dative plural. Noun take extra in container. So in den. Deutschlandweit seien es 12 Millionen Tonnen Lebensmittel, die jedes Jahr weggeworfen würden, sagt das Bundesministerium für Ernährung und Landwirtschaft. So across the Germany, Deutschlandweit means across the Germany. In the entire Germany, it is 12 million ton Lebensmittel, 10 million food, which is thrown away every year. This is also genetic. D means Lebensmittel, die jedes Jahr weggeworfen würden. So in Germany, the situation is very terrible, very horrible. 12 million ton food which is thrown every year. Say the Bundesministerium für Ernährung und Landwirtschaft, the Minister for Health and Nutrition, say this thing. 18 Millionen Tonnen, sagt eine Studie der Umweltschutzorganisation WWF. So according to the study, eine Studie der Umweltschutz, study of Environment Protection Organization, WWF. This is a very common organization, very well known. You can search about this on Google, WWF. So this organization that takes care of the environment, Umweltschutz. So it says in the study 18 million ton food is being wasted according to the study of this organization WWF. Doch, warum landen so viele Lebensmittel in der Tonne? Of course, why so much food is being wasted? Why so much food is being thrown in the tonne, in the dustbin, in the containers? Why is it so in Germany? This is the question mark at the end. So you can watch this video again and note down the vocabulary if you have not done, and please give me your feedback in the comment box. I will make some more videos. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.